Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. I wanted to go ahead and make another video here of another student success video. This is a video I should have posted probably a few days ago. You could see today is Saturday, August 23rd, and this was a message that I got on Wednesday at 12 p.m. This is a student of mine. Her name is Tracy. Tracy is one of the students that has, I would say, pretty active on the advice that I give and the different tutorials and videos that I give on my members area. And Tracy actually had her first level of success creating a YouTube channel and getting an affiliate sale from that YouTube channel for one of the softwares that I created around, YouTube analytics and things like that. But Tracy is a complete winner, and I wanted to go ahead and show this because this is the third video of someone succeeding in this kind of realm of making money online. I wanted to put this out there for anybody who is struggling, who needs some motivation, and who needs some inspiration. So let me share this with you. So I got a message on Wednesday at 12:23 of Tracy saying, "Hey, saw your video yesterday. I also got a sale on Redbubble this morning using your software." Now, the video that she's referring to is one of my students got their very first sale on Redbubble within 3 days. Okay, and I think that was the first student video that I made. Now, for those who are curious, either 4 or 5 people so far have gotten their first sales using our Design Sensei tool. So if you don't know what tool that is, it's a completely free tool that any person in our members area gets to utilize AI to create a whole bunch of different t-shirt designs that are kind of really good from a search presence and from a sales perspective. So it's pretty awesome. We've had multiple people get their first few sales within 3 days. And, this is my third video talking about someone, different people who get these sales. So yeah, it says here, I saw your video yesterday. I also got a sale on Redbubble this morning using your software. I can't say that I thought I saw this coming, LOL. When you created the software, I didn't picture it was possible, but I did it anyway. So what she's saying here is she didn't really think that she would be getting sales too, okay? And because she says here, I didn't picture it was possible, but I did it anyway. But she did the work anyway, and I spoke about this in my members area, but I talk about how consistency is so powerful. And anybody in my members area knows this. I preach really a few things. But one of them is diversity. Next one is consistency. The next one is optimism. Always be positive. Always have a positive outlook on things and always have a belief in your heart that you can succeed. And don't try to put yourself down. Don't try to be negative, because I'm telling you, being pessimistic about something can really stop you and get in the way of you attempting to succeed. And I want to put this into perspective because Tracy, I don't think she's ever had a Redbubble store, because she's mentioned here she has 147 designs total on her Redbubble store. And I'm not sure how many days it took her to get the sale. But if we had to guess, if she's uploading 30 a day, that would be, 2 days would be 60, 3 days would be 90, 4 days would be 120. And so maybe the 5th or 6th day, depending, like I said, on her speed, she would be, making that sale. So she had only 147 total designs. She says, I guess now I have more meaning with my time. Thank you. You are very selfless to provide this to us for free. I can't tell you how appreciative I am. So yeah, guys, I made the Design Sensei software just to be able to add to the potency of the members area, if that makes sense. I want the members area to be highly effective. I want people to come to the community and know it's a place where they can truly seek information, resources, guides, and software on how to make money. And, clearly it works. I can't tell you how appreciative I am. I only have 149 total designs on my Redbubble store, if you're curious. And then she sent me a picture. I don't want to click on this picture because I don't want to expose her design. That's kind of like been an ongoing thing with me. I don't want to, expose other people's work, because I know there's a lot of people who are watching this. I know a lot of people are great people who watch this, but there are a few people who will copy this kind of stuff, and they'll just basically cheat off of someone else. So out of respect for the person who created this kind of work, I don't want to show that, but clearly they have their screenshot here. She says, anyways, thank you. I was able to reply to her the next day. I said, you're welcome. And so I made this video. I wanted to, like I said, encourage people that there are people out there making money with all kinds of platforms. The things that people think that don't make you money. Nope, there are people out there doing it. You just have to think of different tools and different resources. And if people are curious, if you come over here to my members area and you just click on the AI Design Sensei tool, we're constantly making updates to this tool, constantly making it better. I installed a global stats tool that measures how many designs have been created. And I think I installed this tool like a few days ago, maybe like 6 days ago or something like that. And so 5,226 total designs from all the members in our members area have been creating with this tool. And so the way it works is very, very simple. You utilize AI, it will create designs for you. I've already shown how this thing works. I've made multiple videos. If you want to see my most recent video explaining what algorithm 3 is, just click the link in the description and you can watch that video completely for free. This tool is going to constantly be getting updates over time, constant improvements. I always listen to my various members areas suggestions and I implement them. And so this is pretty encouraging, pretty awesome. And the fact that it was AI that created this sale for this person, Tracy, and all the other members who have gotten sales so far with this system, it just can't be beat. It's pretty awesome. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description to my members area. I'll also leave a link in the description to all the different various update videos on this tool. And if you have questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'll talk to you soon. All right, peace out, bye.